Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session we will learn Python read files, one of the topics from Python file handling. So let's get started. Before that, let's understand what is file handling. File handling is an important part of any web application. It is the process of storing and retrieving data from files using a program. Now I hope you guys have broad idea about file handling. So let's move on to the actual topic of this video, that is Python read files. The key function for working with files in Python is the open function. The open function takes two parameters, that is file name and mode. There are four different methods, or you can say modes, for opening a file. So let's understand each and every mode. First we have R, which is represented for read. It is a default value which opens a file for reading and shows error if file does not exist. Then we have A, which is represented for append. This mode opens a file for appending and creates the file if it does not exist. Then next we have W, which is represented for write. This opens a file for writing and creates the file if it does not exist. Then lastly we have X, which is represented for create. It creates the specified file and returns an error if the file exists. Usually these modes are used while programming, but other than this we also have T, which is represented for text, which is again a default value. Then we have B, which is represented for binary, like for binary modes, for example images and more. Next, let us see with examples how it works. So let's type text and save this as demo file. Type any text and save it. We will be using this file to work. Now to open a file, we write a code, that is f is equals to open of demo.txt, R. Here R is represented to read, then print of f.read. This is done when you have saved the file in the same folder as Python, but if you are saving the file in different folder, then you have to specify the file path. Let's copy the path where the file is saved, then open VS Code and type f is equals to open, then paste the copied path here, then R. After copying the path, let's add one more backslash for each slash mentioned in the path to avoid the syntax error or Unicode error. Then print of f.read. Now if you compile this, the whole content inside the file is displayed on output screen. Next, read only parts of the file. By default, the read method returns the whole text, but here what happens is you can specify how many characters you want to return. To do that, let's type f is equals to open of, paste the copied path of the file here, then R. Then print of f.read of 4. Here the number mentioned represents number of characters to return. Now if you compile this, we will get this as output. So this was all about read files. I hope you guys had fun learning it. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.